In this video, I'm going to show you how this n8n list builder workflow can completely change the way you collect and organize target audience data. If you've ever spent hours manually searching Google, copying names into spreadsheets, and trying to clean up duplicates, this automation will save you a huge amount of time. Let's walk step by step through exactly how it works. First, here's what the list builder workflow is designed for. It automates web searching and data extraction, so you can rapidly compile detailed lists of your ideal target groups. It does this by crawling relevant web page links from Google search results, extracting information about individuals like names, account IDs, and personal URLs, deduplicating and organizing everything automatically, and finally saving it all neatly into Google Sheets. This means no more copying and pasting, no more messy spreadsheets, and no more missed leads. Let's be honest, manual list building is time-consuming, prone to errors, and frustrating when data comes from multiple sources. This workflow tackles all of that by consolidating fragmented data, eliminating duplicates, and structuring everything in one place. If you work in marketing, recruiting, community management, or data research, this can transform your process. Here are a few examples of how you might use this. Marketing teams compiling lists of top influencers or opinion leaders, recruiters gathering public information on potential candidates, community managers building a list of engaged fans or users, or data analysts researching online behavior in specific niches. Let's look at each step in detail. Step 1. You start the process manually with a click, so you stay in control of when searches happen. Step 2. You define who and where you want to target. For example, top billed in public influencers on X. Step 3. The workflow uses the AirTop API to search Google and collect up to 10 relevant links, skipping ads. Step 4. It parses the search results to clean up and extract the URLs you need. Step 5. For each link, the workflow calls AirTop again to pull up to 20 individuals' names, accounts, and profile URLs. Step 6. A set of code nodes automatically removes duplicates and ensures your list is clean and unique. Step 7. Finally, the data is appended into Google Sheets, where you can review, filter, and take action. This workflow connects AirTop API for searching and scraping, Google Sheets for data storage, and n8n as the automation engine tying everything together. This list builder workflow is ideal for marketing and PR professionals, HR and headhunting teams, community operators and content creators, and researchers and analysts. It helps you save time, reduce errors, and focus on making better decisions, not on collecting data. If you'd like to try this workflow yourself, check the link in the description for resources and templates. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more n8n automation guides. Also, make sure to subscribe to my newsletter to get the JSON files of this automation and many more ready-to-use workflows. Thanks for watching and happy automating!